Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AutoClicker on your iPhone. Alright, so first thing first, you want to click on your settings, then you want to scroll down to accessibility. Alright, you want to click on switch control, then you want to click on switches. Okay, so you're going to add new switches. Just click on screen and full screen, and then you click on tab. Then you go back. So then you want to click on recipes. Now, then you want to click on create new recipes. Okay. So you can name your recipe. So I'm going to name this one test welcome. Then assign your recipes. Then click on full screen. Then you click on custom gesture. Create a new gesture for your AutoClicker where you want the AutoClicker to work. So I'm just gonna click on some spots here. This is the main spot that I want it to work around this spot. Okay, so once you do that, you save, then you go back to the main page. All right, accessibility. So then you scroll down to accessibility shortcuts, and you wanna scroll down to switch control, then you turn it on. So then you go back to be able to use this AutoClicker, you need to tap on your switch button to switch on your phone 3 times. Okay, tap on it 3 times. All right. Okay, switch control changes gesture. Then okay, so now our switch control is active. Okay, so as you can see, and to be able to turn it off, all you need to do is just to click the same button to switch control off. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. All right, so if you gained something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.